All right, so what can you expect after you hire a personal injury attorney? Hi, my name is Chris Earley. I'm an attorney. So after you hire an attorney, say, for example, you had a car accident, a slip and fall, a dog bite, construction accident, workers' compensation, there's any type of general accident case, here's what you can generally expect from the attorney. So the attorney and or the attorney's office will be sending out letters to the insurance company, letters to your doctor's offices in order to get your medical records, medical bills. The attorney's office will be getting in touch with witnesses, will be securing photographs, right? Just documenting everything that happened to you, as well as communicating with the insurance company, right? So there's a lot of things that go into it. That's generally the claims process, very 30,000 foot view perspective. There's a lot also that goes into it if there's a lawsuit filed. So that's generally the way it works. Make sure you call early before it's too late.